Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to get a sketch effect in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Next, duplicate your background layer by pressing Ctrl or Command-J. This keeps your original safe. Then, desaturate this new layer by going to Image, Adjustments, Desaturate. This removes all color, giving us a grayscale base for our sketch. Now duplicate this desaturated layer once more. With this new layer selected, invert its colors by pressing Ctrl or Command-I. Your image will look quite unusual at this point, but don't worry. The next step is crucial. Change the blending mode of this inverted layer to Color Dodge. This will make your image appear mostly white, which is exactly what we want for the next step. With the Color Dodge layer still active, go to Filter, Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. This is where the magic happens. As you increase the radius, you'll start to see the sketch lines emerge. Experiment with the radius slider, typically between 3 and 10 pixels, until you achieve the desired level of detail and line thickness for your sketch. This step truly defines the artistic look. To give your sketch an even more authentic feel, you can add a subtle texture. Create a new layer and fill it with a light gray, then apply a noise filter or overlay a paper texture. Adjust the blending mode and opacity of this texture layer to your liking. This final touch can really enhance the hand-drawn appearance, making your digital sketch look like it was created on real paper.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.